along a line extending from 6 miles southeast at Ryan to Loma, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pond Corners, Shenango Valley State Park, Bayberry, Cedarvale, Canoga, Hartford, South Danby, Fayette, Lyle, and Kellogg'sville. The National Weather.
First SVR of 2025. Let's go on WF 43. Ironically, last year, WF 43 was the first SVR. And this year, it's the same thing. Let's go! We get an SVR. Let's go, man. I knew it. I knew it was going to be eventually coming. Look at that. Feels so good to see that again. Now issue more. Keep cooking, WF 43.
Northwestern Shenango County until 6 p.m. At 4:57 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Central Square to near McGraw, moving northeast at 50 per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Another one.
Impact, expects damage to roof, siding, and trees.
Another SVR.
Locations impacted include Preble, Union Corners, Bayberry, Pierceville, Florence, Blossvale, New London, Clark Reservation State Park, Remsen, and Comans.
Preble.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 55 remains in effect until 7 p.m. for the following counties: Broome, New York.
Yeah, Broome was expanded for severe thunderstorm watch number 55. Yeah, I knew it. Shenango. I knew it. I knew Shenango would get something. All right. Second SVR of 2025. Very nice.
The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Broome County, south central Tioga County, western Susquehanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, eastern Bradford County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Wyoming County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 6 p.m.
That scared me.
At 5 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Meadows to 7 miles west of Lavelton, moving east at 25 miles per hour.
That scared me.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cherrytown, Elk Lake, Redmond, Halstead, Meshover, Comfort, Gurley, Montrose, Jenningsville, and Lake Erie. The National Weather.
Okay, I was not expecting a third one right off the bat. Okay, I was just trying to trim out the video for my second one I just got, and then all of a sudden my 120 goes off again, unexpectedly. Seems like that was for Broome, Tioga, and then some Pennsylvania counties.
The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Broome County, southeastern Tioga County, central Shenango County, northwestern Susquehanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 6:30 p.m. At 5:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Nanticoke to near Little Meadows, moving north 80 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
It's getting dark.
Source, radar indicated.
getting real dark.
Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Smithfield Center, Shenango Valley State Park, Tioga Terrace, Endicott, Preston, Maine, South Plymouth, Shenango Forks, Port Dickinson, and Tyner.
Had to make a thumbnail.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains.
Look at that. It's getting dark and very windy. Oh, man. Keep on cooking, WF43. Oh, it's tornado possible too. Okay, so that was an SVR for Hamilton and Herkimer on KSC 43 right there. I don't know why I had a hard time for them to come in like that, but let me see. Okay. All right. For some reason, KSC 43 is having a hard time coming in, but I can get them just enough where it is hearable. Oh my god, that wind is crazy! Okay. Okay. I don't know if Dojo F43 is done cooking. I really don't know, but in case if they are, I'm gonna put this back on channel 7 and put it back in my room. And yeah, let's see what happens. Essex. Good old Essex. Oops. Okay, so that was an SVR for Essex, Franklin, and St. Lawrence. Okay then.
District. Throughout the region, it was cloudy. It was 67 in Glens Falls. Fulton County in eastern New York, northeastern Herkimer County in eastern New York, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Lincoln Lake Campground to near Stratford, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Eagle Nest, Blue Mountain Lake, Gerard's Sugar Bush, Lake Eaton Campground, Quaker Beach, Brown Track Pond Campground, Inlet, Deerland, White House, Big Moose, Matfield, Shaker Place, Sagamore, Lake Durham Campground, Hoffmeister, Howley Place, Eighth Lake Campground, Lake Pleasant, West Canada Lakes, and Avery's Place. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York: Fulton, Hamilton, and Herkimer. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hamilton.
For print purchase, N45 exclusions apply. Visit Staples.com/print for offer details. Price match guarantee valid in store and Staples.com/print. Visit Staples.com/price match for details.
The following is a test of the emergency alert system.
Here we go.
This station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test. Tune in this Sunday morning.
All right. There we go. KDK weekly test per usual. Not surprised anymore. Didn't say the whole thing again, so you know what that means. Let me just get myself. Let me just fix this real quick. 991, why are you showing signal loss? You were fine before. Alright. Okay. Here we go.